Welcome to Beauty for All YouTube channel, your ultimate beauty guide. Let's explore what are the benefits of micro-shading. We will walk you through some amazing benefits of micro-shading for eyebrows and eyeliner. Here are some of the benefits of micro-shading. Long-lasting results. Micro-shading uses tiny, hair-like strokes to fill in sparse or uneven eyebrows or add definition to the eyeliner. Unlike traditional makeup, micro-shading can last for up to 2 years, depending on the individual's skin type and aftercare. This means that you can wake up with perfectly shaped eyebrows or defined eyeliner every day, without having to spend time applying makeup. Natural-looking results. One of the biggest benefits of micro-shading is that it looks incredibly natural. The hair-like strokes mimic the appearance of real hairs, giving the eyebrows a full and natural appearance. Similarly, eyeliner is applied to enhance the eye's natural shape, creating a subtle and defined look, time-saving. For those who struggle to fill in their eyebrows or apply eyeliner evenly, micro-shading can be a time-saver. With the procedure, you can have perfectly shaped eyebrows and defined eyeliner every day without having to spend time applying makeup. This can be especially helpful for busy individuals who don't have the time to spend on their makeup routine. Low maintenance. Because micro-shading is semi-permanent, it requires minimal maintenance after the initial procedure. Touch-up appointments are typically only needed once a year to maintain the results. This means that you can enjoy the benefits of perfectly shaped eyebrows and defined eyeliner without having to worry about constantly reapplying makeup. Boosts self-confidence. For many people, having well-shaped eyebrows and defined eyeliner can be a confidence booster. With micro-shading, you can feel confident in your appearance every day without having to worry about uneven or sparse eyebrows or poorly applied eyeliner. Suitable for all skin types. Micro-shading is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. The procedure uses a handheld tool to deposit pigment into the skin, which is less invasive than traditional tattooing. As a result, it is less likely to cause irritation or allergic reactions. Customizable. One of the great things about micro-shading is that it can be customized to suit your individual preferences and features. The technician will work with you to create a brow or eyeliner shape that complements your face and enhances your natural beauty. Can correct asymmetry. If you have uneven eyebrows or asymmetrical eyeliner, micro-shading can help correct these imperfections. The technician can use the procedure to create a more balanced and symmetrical appearance, giving you a more polished and put-together look. So what are you waiting for? Have your appointment booked from Beauty for All. What does the micro-shading process look like? Micro-shading eyebrows is usually done like this. Step 1. Consult. Discuss your expectations with your artist. Tell them what type of look you want, and ask as many questions as you want about the procedure. They will explain the process and give you aftercare instructions. They'll also give their opinion on the best shape and color for you. Take their advice into consideration. They know what colors work on which skin tones and how they'll look healed. Pomade tip. It's a good idea to schedule consults separate from your treatment. This allows the artist to do a patch test to make sure you're not allergic to any of the pigments and the products that will be used. Step 2. Numbing. The artist will clean your brows and apply a numbing cream onto the area. The numbing will diminish any pain you may feel during the procedure. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to start working. Step 3. Mapping. While you're waiting for the numbing to kick in, the artist will measure the area and draw the outline of your future brows. Note, some artists outline first and numb second. It depends on their preference. Step 4. Tattooing. Once the numbing has started working and you're satisfied with the outline, the pigmentation starts. The artist will go back and forth over your brows with an electric device or a manual tool and build up pigment saturation. They may add in some hair strokes manually. It can take up to 2 hours. Step 5. Cleaning. The artist will clean your brows and that's it. Your brows have been successfully microshaded. They'll prescribe an ointment you're supposed to apply and go over the aftercare routine once again. Step 6. Touch up. In order to make the color more even and make your microshading eyebrows last as long as possible, you'll need to come back in for an additional session 6 to 8 weeks later. Once your brows have healed, the touch-up looks a lot like the initial session, but much less work will be done. The artist will just fill in some spots that may have faded lighter. Does the microshading process hurt? This is a difficult question to answer, mainly because the definition of pain varies from person to person. People who wax or pluck their eyebrows regularly will not find the microshading procedure very painful, whereas someone who has never had their brows plucked might feel some level of discomfort. The good thing is that the artist will use a safe topical anesthetic cream that they will apply to your eyebrows in order to ease the procedure as much as they can. That said, during healing, your powder brows might feel sensitive and itchy, which might be more uncomfortable than the procedure itself. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today to get the best of our experts and have the prime treatment of microblading. Please like, subscribe, and share.